Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Benson Boone here with Slow It Down. Alright, so that's good to think about the tempo sometimes in the live. You have to slow it down. So that is a reminder. Benson Boone, let's take a look at this one. With the capo set here on the first fret, alright. So with that, we have 6 different chords we need to learn. So let's do that first. We'll start here with the E minor. And that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the D F chord, that is basically a D but with an F sharp in the bass. So that will be second on E, open A, open D, second G, third B, and open E. We have G next, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have the D, so that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. C next, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. All right, so we have different parts here of the song: the verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. Yes. So 3 different parts basically, and we will use a strumming pattern that works for all these different parts almost to handle the chords here. So if we're gonna start here with the verse play, we have an alternating way of playing here with the chords, just C and G, and going back and forth like this. And we'll use the strumming pattern down, down, clap, down. All right, so if you grab the C, it goes like this for one round. So down, down, clap, down. Like this, all right? And I played 4 rounds of the C now, and that is what you're gonna do as well. You're gonna play C4 and then G4 and go back and forth like this. And that is the verse play. It goes. Okay, so pretty easy, not the hardest part to handle in the world. So that is the verse, and then comes the pre-chorus. And here we're gonna play just 1 down per chord. And you're gonna play E minor, the D F, the G, D, and C. And then you have a pause after the last chord, the C. So. All right, and that's it. 1 down per chord: E minor, D, F, G, D, and C. And then comes the chorus, and here you're gonna apply the same playing as the verse play. So C4 and G4 back to the standard strumming pattern. You're gonna play like that for 2 rounds. And the second round is exactly in the same way as the first round. So after the second chorus comes the outro part. All right, so we are at the final parts now. You're gonna continue with the strumming down, down, clap, down, and you're gonna play C2, A minor 2, and G4. And then comes C2, A minor 2, G2, and D2. All right. And that is the outro part, and then it ends just with another round of, actually 2 rounds of the pre-chorus play, the E minor, G, G, D, C, and again. And that is how Benson Boone's Slow It Down ends. So not too hard, guys. 1 strumming pattern and this a little bit faster chord shift here, but it's not too hard either. So yeah, give it a try. Support me on Going Guitar. Feel free to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, and also click like on the tutorials you like, and I appreciate that a lot. So yeah, have a nice one. Play tuned.